What's up, everyone? Hey, my name's Brian, and today I'm going to show you some trends if you're 50 and over and you want to make some money today. You want to quit your side job, you want to quit your full-time 9 to 5 and do something on your own? Hey, these are some things you can do. Hang on, let me share my screen and I'll get right with it. So what I did is I asked ChatGPT to give me some guidance, and this is what it told me. Right, here we go. All right. So anyone over 50 to generate income, these are the current trends. You can do some consulting and freelancing, like, leverage your decades of experience. What are you experiencing? What have you been doing all your life? So leverage your decades of experience. Many of you guys are offering consulting services in the fields of freelancing and like writing, graphic design, project management. This provides flexibility and the opportunity to work on diverse projects. Oh, that's from AARP. Nice. Online tutoring and teaching. So if you know English, you can teach it to people trying to learn English. There's a lot of people around the world trying to learn English. So there's that resource. Or if you know Spanish. But most likely you know English really well, and you can teach that. You can teach that and stay at home and teach other people online. You can do it through Zoom. There's lots of portals that will help you get paid to do that. So it says the demand for online education has surged, creating opportunities for seasoned professionals. Well, you don't need a professional to teach English, but you can teach subjects ranging from academic disciplines to music, language, instruction, and more. So you can even teach your niche. What have you been experiencing? Like gardening, camping, maybe repairing your car, stuff like that. Like for me, I like painting, so I can teach painting. I can teach real estate as well. So whatever you've been doing, that you've been making the money at, that you're good at, I would be teaching that. Hey, if you want to learn about a course builder I have, it's through Go High Level. I have a course builder. You can try it out for free for 30 days. There's also a school community I'm starting, so check that out. So entrepreneurship and small business ownership. So like small businesses, side ventures, allows an autonomy in the application of accumulated knowledge. So what are you knowledgeable about? So once again, you can start consulting. You can start a business. I had a friend just buy a laundromat. He bought it on terms. The seller actually wanted $200,000 down, but when it came to closing, she decided just to take the whole thing on payments. So it's like, I think it's like $5,000 a month for the next 20 years. And the thing makes $20,000 a month. So that means he would be making $15,000 a month. So there's things like that. And what he did is really clever. He went into the laundromat and he started washing his clothes and he asked for the owner. And then he came in several times after that. And he got to know the owner. And because he came in there and started getting to know the owner was willing to make a deal with him. But if he was someone cold from the street that she'd never seen, it would have been a totally different story. Anyways, so there's the gig economy participation. So there's Fiverr. There's all kinds of gig things like there's all kinds of gig jobs out there. Short-term gigs on Craigslist, ride sharing, Uber, food delivery. I wouldn't recommend those. There's better things you could do with your time. But you could be a course creator. Think of something about your niche. What have you experienced in? That's what I would suggest. There's the school communities. So like there's school, there's like you can create a course, create a community. Hey, if you want to learn more about that, click on the like, subscribe, comment below school or community, and I will help you out. I will show you, I'll give you guidance and direction on how to go in that direction. I'm creating my own school community. I'm also going to start a course on basically how to make money. So you can make money with real estate. You don't need to make it. You don't need to have money to make money in real estate. You can start doing what's called wholesaling. There's wholesaling, there's it's called subject to, you can buy in terms, there's fix and flip. Yeah, you do need credit for fix and flip, but wholesaling, you can make assignment fees, which are pretty cool. Hey, once again, if you like what you see, click the like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks, have a great day.